first video and first YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel. Just we will open Google website, and after that we will type YouTube sign up. Okay, it's typed AI bull, and handle we will write here the AI bull. Okay, let's go contact support unsupport contact. Okay, so we'll make space AI bull. Has one available, the AI bull. So we'll write here 2025. Yeah, it's accepted. Okay, we'll do create channel. Okay, so it's going on. Here, okay, it's ready, the AI bull. Now customize channel. Okay, we are going into YouTube Studio. Next, here we will make next. I am the owner, the Kandanaka. Close. Okay, so first of all we will make banner. So I already created my banner from AI generator pic ChatGPT. This one is my banner. Okay, if you want desktop, it will look like this. Okay, and for my logo, YouTube channel logo, I already created some pictures. Look at this one. This is my AI generated logo, and look at this, how it's looking like. Done. Okay, and again I have a name AI bull. Okay, description, I will write here I will going to make videos in the English and Hindi. Channel description I will write here. Enter channel name, I will write here AI balls. Description. So it's done. All things are already settled. I already write everything. And this logo I need to upload from this watermark logo. Okay, this is watermark logo. So I already created one same logo. I will post now same logo. I don't have other one, so I publish this same logo. Okay, now it's published. My channel is going to publish. Look at this here, and now it's completed. It will take some process, some time. Okay, my channel is published. You can see my logo will be visible here after some time. So how it look like my channel? Yeah, AI balls manage videos. Now there is no any video, so it's look like this. Look, the AI ball 2025 YouTube Studio already is there. My location is Kuwait. So how did you realize and feel after looking my video? Look here, my YouTube channel logo is visible now. Okay, so I'm going to upload this video directly. I will make some editing, and after that I will upload tomorrow. Yani tomorrow is 7 August. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see in next video. Bye bye.